The Philippines is ranked 116th out of 180 countries in the World Corruption Perception Index.
Pang 116 tayo out of 180 na meron tayong score na 33 over 100.
This ranking had undoubtedly affected our capability to attract foreign investments and sustain the current investors who had gambled in our beloved country. With ordinary talent and extraordinary perseverance, all things are attainable. It is my great pleasure to welcome you to this segment of our Tour Against Corruption.
Against Corruption is a campaign by the Presidential Commission on Good Government sa pagtupad ng ating mandato na naayon sa Executive Order No. 1 Series of 1986.
These efforts are indispensable for us to tell the whole world that we are not bad and we are doing something, right?
Who are the actors in corruption? Nature of corruption, the status of the Philippines in the global scene, common corrupt practices sa LGU, and its consequences, at kung ano pang pwede nating gawin.
Nakita ko po dun sa usapan natin ito siguro po sa mga public official maging awareness po sa ating mga ginagawa bilang mga lingkod bayan ng ating mamamayan at ating gobyerno.
Inyong lugar sa Angono, Rizal para sa isang kampanya ng ating pamahalaan.
Para hindi po sila maninigaw. Open po kami. Naroon yung inyong puso na talagang matuto.
Binding our forces through these undertakings, we can develop systems to prevent corruption and jointly tell the entire archipelago that we are moving forward. We are getting investments. We are ready for progress, and join us as we improve our Corruption Perception Index. Let us shout and proclaim to the whole world, Angono is open for business.
Of course, we would like to acknowledge ang ating butihing ina ng Angono, ang kagalang-galang na Mayora, Jerry May Calderon. Ma'am, marami pong salamat.
Maganda kasi yung nagkaroon ng ganitong programa, PCGG. Sa tagal nga ng panahon, sabi nga ng Kapagyo kanina.
Ito pong PCGG, alam ko po, 1986.
Yung corruption dito, talagang, lalo na yung pagdating din sa red tape. Talaga ito ay aming pinagtutuunan ng pansin.
Sundin natin yung payo ng PCGG at isinir lang namin ang The Angono Story.
Ako po'y nagpapasalamat sa inyo. Sabi ko sa inyo, minsan lang ako naka-attend ng ganito at ngayon lang kami naka-attend nitong inyong programa. At ito po ay malaking bagay sa aming mga naglilingkod at saan man, lalo na po yung mga LGU.